Hello students, so we're back with optical pumping, about ready to take some data. But before we do that, we want to just point out some diagnostics and some sort of normal operating conditions of the apparatus. So what we have now, we have the control panel set to sweep the magnetic field that appears in the horizontal coils. And the way we have the scope set up, this axis now becomes the magnetic field magnitude in the horizontal coils. I know you're used to oscilloscopes having time on this axis, but in XY mode, which we've set the scope at, this now takes on the value of magnetic field strength in the horizontal coil. This axis is the amount of light hitting the photodetector. So we basically have magnetic field versus intensity striking the photodetector, which appears at the end of the optical rail. So in this normal operating mode of the optical pumping, as the magnetic field sweeps from left to right, from very low fields to higher fields across, we see a very, very distinct dip, in the amplitude, the light intensity reaching the photodetector at the end of the optical rail. So the magnetic field starts to sweep, and suddenly there's a great deal of absorption by the rubidium atoms, but as the magnetic field sweeps, the absorption eventually goes away. It's a very important diagnostic for this apparatus, and it tells us the point along the magnetic field sweep where the magnetic field that the rubidium atoms are feeling is equal to 0.